Hello kids, welcome to the session at Learn Forward platform by Feathercap. I'm your English facilitator Garima Singh to make your learning easy and fun. So let's begin. Hope you all are ready with your book Fly High Grade 2, and now we'll be starting with chapter 3 that says we love our school. So it goes without saying we all love our school because we study, we play, we have fun, and we make friends when we are in school, right? And we lot many things from school. So this is a poem about the school where children read, write, and play together. Let's read the poem and enjoy. So now a small activity. On the blackboard, circulate things you find in your classroom. So the first one is the blackboard. Then next, quickly, we have a duster. I'll look out 2, 3 for you and then you can do it on your own. Then what else is given? We have teacher also. So board, a cupboard. We have a cupboard also. Then we have a desk also, right? So the other ones you can look it for yourself. Now let's read the poem. Off to school, to read and write and play, to learn new things each day. So, off to school, we go to school, and what do? We read, we write and play, and we learn. Everything is, a day that gives us a new learning. So each day we learn something that is new. Here is school. Pencils and crayons, scissors and glue, erasers and papers and notebooks too. So what all other things we carry to school? We carry the pencils, we carry eraser, sharpener, notebooks, books, water bottle, scissors and glue for your craft activity. We love our school, we love our school. We write, we sing, we run. Lovely to have such fun. So what we do in school, we write also, we learn also, we sing also, we dance also, we run, and it is really very good to have fun at school. So what do the children learn at school? The children learn to read, write and play at school. Which things are found in the school? So what all can you see? You can see the pencils, crayons, scissors, glue, blackboard, right? So these are the things which we find in the school. So that was the short poem. Now based on that we have the exercise. Which of the following words means the same as enjoyment? So it is fun, correct. Next, which of the following is the opposite of love? Hate. Good. So a smiley for your performance. Next, we have the extract. Based on it, we need to answer the questions. Off to school, to read and write and play, to learn new things each day. Here is school, pencils and crayons, scissors and glue, erasers and papers and notebooks too. So the first question is, which place is described here? So these things are found where? Absolutely correct, at school. The children dash new things each day. The children learn new things each day. Next, pencils and crayons are not found in the school. False. What things are available in the school? So we can see a lot many things in the school. We have the blackboard, we have the display boards, pencils, crayons, erasers, then table, desk, and then so many things. We have the basketball ring. So there are n number of things which can be found in the school. Write the rhyming word of the day from the extract. So which is the word that rhymes like day? It is play. So what are the rhyming words? Rhyming words are the words that have the same sound with different spelling and different meaning. I hope you could all recall, right? So rhyming words are the words that have the same sound with different meaning and a different spelling. So play and day, they have the same sound, but then their spelling and their meaning is absolutely different. Next, we have true, false. The children are going to the park. Really? Were the children going to the park? No, they were going to school. The children read, write and play in the school. Absolutely correct. The children learn new things each day. Yes, there is a lot of learning every day at school. The children don't like school. No, we all love our school. Even I love my school till date. You know, I really miss my school. Next question answers. Who are going to school? The children, they are going to school. What do the children do in the school? They read, learn and play at school. Do the children love their school? Of course, the children, they all love their school. So that was all about the poem. Hope you liked it. Read the poem once again. Go through the exercise. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Happy learning.